said it's just a phase, but each day feels like fire, burning on my fragile soul, leaving only ashes and wounds. I've fallen into chaos, no way back, screaming in the darkness, this voice is starting to fade. This heart is wounded, can't be hidden anymore. You shattered everything I believed in. In solitude I hold on, crying in silence, searching for a way out. Every word you spoke cuts like a knife. I hope for some hope, but it all feels in vain. I'm trapped in despair, then I navigate the dark waters, sweat and blood flow, hoping there's light behind the clouds. This heart is wounded, can't be hidden anymore. You shattered everything I believed in. In solitude I hold on, crying in silence, searching for a way out. Every word you spoke can't be hidden anymore. You shattered everything I left in. You shattered everything I believed in. In solitude I hold on, crying in silence, searching for a way out. Searching for a way out. Every word you spoke cuts like a knife. I hope for some hope, but it all feels in vain. I believed in. I'm trapped in despair, then I navigate the dark waters, sweat and blood flow, hoping there's light behind the clouds. This heart is wounded, can't be hidden anymore. You shattered everything I believed in. In solitude I hold on, crying in silence, searching for a way out. Every word you spoke can't be hidden anymore. You shattered everything I left in. You shattered everything I believed in. In solitude I hold on, crying in silence, searching for a way out. In the cool I fight, battling all the shadows, trying to rise from the ruins, finding light at the end of the tunnel. Every night is a battlefield, a shattered dream flying bases. I live by every end, facing the uncertainty. This heart is wounded, can't be hidden anymore. You've shattered everything I believed in.